Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about money, one of the most important and ubiquitous things in our lives. You may think you know everything there is to know about money, but we've got 10 surprising and lesser known facts about money that you may not have heard before. Let's get started. Fact number 1, most banknotes have a lifespan of just 18 months. Did you know that most banknotes have a lifespan of just 18 months? After that, they are taken out of circulation and replaced with new notes. This is because the constant handling and wear and tear that banknotes go through means they need to be regularly replaced. Fact number 2, the word money comes from the Latin word moneta. The word money actually comes from the Latin word moneta, which was the name of the Roman goddess of finance and money. The first coins were minted in the temple of Juno Moneta in Rome, which is where the word mint comes from. Fact number 3, the concept of paper money was first introduced in China. The concept of paper money was first introduced in China during the Tang dynasty, which lasted from 618-907 AD. It was used as a form of payment for government officials and soldiers, and was initially backed by copper coins. Fact number 4, the world's largest banknote is the 100,000 Hungarian forint note. The world's largest banknote is the 100,000 Hungarian forint note, which is worth around $350 and is not used in everyday transactions. It was only issued in limited quantities and is mainly used for collecting. Fact number 5, the $1 bill is the most counterfeited currency in the world. Believe it or not, the $1 bill is the most counterfeited currency in the world. This is because it is the most commonly used bill in circulation and counterfeiters hope that people won't take the time to check whether it's real or not. Fact number 6, the first credit card was introduced in 1950 by Diners Club. The world's first credit card was introduced in 1950 by Diners Club, and it could only be used at 27 restaurants in New York City. Today, there are over 1.2 billion credit cards in use worldwide. Fact number 7, the first coins were made over 2,500 years ago in ancient Lydia. The first coins were made over 2,500 years ago in ancient Lydia, which is now modern-day Turkey. They were made from electrum, a natural alloy of gold and silver, and were stamped with a design to indicate their value. Fact number 8, the US Treasury once considered producing a $1 million bill. The US Treasury once considered producing a $1 million bill, but the idea was eventually scrapped due to concerns about fraud and counterfeiting. Today, the highest denomination of US currency in circulation is the $100 bill. Fact number 9, banknotes and coins have distinct shapes and sizes in many countries. In many countries, banknotes and coins have distinct shapes and sizes to help visually impaired individuals distinguish between different denominations. This is known as tactile currency, and is used in countries such as Canada, the United Kingdom, and the European Union. Fact number 10, the world's oldest known form of currency is cowrie shells. The world's oldest known form of currency is cowrie shells, which were used as money in China as far back as 1200 BC. They were also used as currency in other parts of the world, including Africa and the Pacific.